morning, my dear students. It's me, Kamal Pokhrel. As usual, I am with virtual class. Today it is the 13th day of this virtual class. Today I am, as it is the right time today I am going to discuss about the poem. The topic is grapes are sour. Grapes are sour. But before giving the summary or before explaining this lesson, I am going to read this poem once. Then I am going to make you clear this poem with the help of this summary. First, I am going to read this poem. Grapes are sour. A fox was tottering on one day, and just above his head he saw a vine with lovely grapes, rich, ripe, and purple red. Eager he tried to snatch the fruit, but it was too high. Poor fox had to give it up, and having a deep sigh, he called his nose and said, "Dear me, I would not waste an hour upon such mean and common fruit. I am sure those grapes are sour. It's thus we often wish through life, when seeking wealth and power, and when we fail, say, like the fox, we are sure the grapes are sour." This poem is written by Dean Gaspar. Dean Gaspar is the famous poet, and he has composed this poem very beautifully. Now, let's me to clear this the point. What is the meanings? What is the matter in this the poem? I am going to explain it with the help of this summary which I have written here. Grapes are sour. I have written this in the form of story. Actually, this poem is composed with the help of the story. Very beautifully composed in the form of the poem, and I am going to explain this poem in a simple way. One day a fox was very hungry. He was in search of food because he was very hungry. Luckily he found grapes. He found grapes that were hanging in the vine. Okay, in the vine, they were juicy, ripe, and purple red. They were looking so tasty. They were so delicious. He wanted to eat it because he was so hungry. They looked so delicious. He became so happy and wanted to satisfy his hunger, to fulfill his hunger, because he was suffering from the hunger. He wanted to eat those grapes. He jumped to reach them. Because they were high. But his first attempt means his effort. But his first attempt was in vain. First attempt, he couldn't reach them because they were too high. He made second attempt, but could not. It was also in vain. He tried many times. He jumped again and again to reach those grapes, but he could not reach them. His all efforts, it was vain. व्यर्थ भयो. Finally, he gave up his effort. Finally, he gave up his effort or attempt, saying that he spoke himself. He spoke to himself and said that these grapes are not me. These grapes are actually those grapes are sour grapes. They are not sweet. I don't like sour grapes at all. He said, because he tried many times, he could not. You are too hungry. He spoke himself that those grapes are sour. I don't like sour grapes, and he went from there. He moved ahead. This is the poem I have given here in the form of the summary. In simple way, I have described here. I hope that you must have clearly understood this poem. Read this poem, okay, again and again, so that you can enjoy it, you can easily understand, and more you will be clear. This poem teaches us that the moral of the poem is that actually it can be compared with the human beings and their ambitions. Many people have the ambitions to be powerful, to be rich, okay, and to be successful. Okay. After many efforts, after many attempts, they get fail. Finally, they give up. Finally, they give up their mission. Finally, they give up. Give up means परित्याग गर्नु, त्याग्नु, छोड्नु. Give up, leave their mission or efforts, and they said that this wealth and power are nothing for me. Okay. This poem teaches us this the moral. Dear students, I hope that you have must clearly understood this. Here we have some word meaning from this the poem. After knowing this word meaning clearly, then we can understand it more clearly. Look here some words: tottering, getting hungry, okay, suffering from the hunger. Trotting, not tottering, trotting. Vine means climber of grapes. Vine means the climbers of grapes, where grapes are grown in the vine. Snatch means take it forcefully, grabbing. Snatch means take forcefully. Give up means stop, continue. Stop, continue. त्यागिदिनु, परित्याग गर्नु. Yes, give up means stop, continue. Sigh means deep breath. Okay, deep breath. Take deep breath. Cord means wrinkled. Cord means here खुम्चाउनु, and नाक खुम्चाउनु भन्ने अर्थमा cord, okay, in the meaning of wrinkling the nose. Naak खुम्चाउनु, cord means wrinkled. Seeking means search. These are the some word meaning related to this the poem. Dear student, write this summary, write this word meaning in your note copy. This much for today. See you in next class. Thank you.